Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the lookout for a fun and effective way to boost your fitness, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of jump ropes to find the best ones on the market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around as we jump right into our top picks. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, the Goal Skipping Adjustable Jump Rope Cable. If you're in the market for an affordable workout tool, the Goal Skipping Rope is a solid choice. This jump rope features an adjustable length, bearing rotation for smooth swinging, and a braided steel wire cable encased in tough PVC. The 6-inch handles are outfitted with memory foam grips, offering a comfortable and speedy jumping experience, all for a reasonable $9. While this rope might not be ideal for aspiring double under experts, it's perfectly suited for general fitness routines. It's versatile enough to be used in HIIT sessions, endurance exercises, or speed training. The Goal ball bearing rope is a popular item on Amazon, boasting over 30,000 5-star reviews, although Anthony, our writer who reviewed the rope, had mixed feelings, mainly due to its basic construction. He acknowledged its value, reminding us, it's a $9 rope. After all, it's certainly sufficient for anyone looking to jump rope for fun or to maintain general fitness. Anthony noted that the memory foam grips were a bit too soft for his preference but recognized that they could be ideal for those who favor comfort. While the bearings performed adequately, they didn't offer the fastest rotation he had seen. Number 2. Goxrunk's Jump Skipping Rope for Fitness Workout. The Goxrunk's jump rope is a versatile choice for both fitness aficionados and young athletes. Thanks to its adjustable length that can be tailored to individual needs, the handles are designed with a dual-layer EVA foam. The inner layer is soft for maximum comfort, while the outer layer absorbs sweat and wicks moisture away, enhancing grip during intense workouts. The anti-slip memory foam handles ensure a firm hold during use. Constructed with a thicker braided steel wire and coated in durable PVC, this rope promises a smooth and fluid jumping experience. We appreciate that it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its anti-dust ball bearing system enhances the rope's durability and supports full 360-degree rotations, making swings seamless and efficient. The rope extends up to 9-8 feet and can easily be adjusted to accommodate various heights, making it an ideal option for users of all genders and ages. Additionally, the memory foam grips are not only anti-slip but also incredibly comfortable for sustained periods of jumping. Key features: durable and tangle-free construction, comfortable and anti-slip handles, made of durable steel to be wear-resistant, adjustable size to be used by anyone. Number 3, Crossrope Get Lean Set Weighted Jump Rope. If you're eager to master double unders, brace yourself for a challenging journey of frustration and potential skin damage unless you choose the Crossrope Get Lean Jump Rope Set, which can accelerate your learning curve and reduce injuries. Garage Gym Reviews staff writer, Anthony O'Reilly, tested the Crossrope Jump Rope Set and was impressed with its performance. The Get Lean set includes a pair of handles and 2 weighted cables, one weighing 0.25 pounds and the other 0.5 pounds. These cables can be quickly swapped out using Crossrope's efficient fast clip system. What makes this set particularly effective for learning double unders is the heavier cables, which offer substantial feedback during jumps. This feedback is crucial for beginners because it helps them feel the cable's position throughout each rotation, a sensation less pronounced with lighter speed ropes. Developing this sense of body awareness is key to achieving a consistent rhythm necessary to perform double unders successfully. Additionally, the ceramic ball bearing system and the handles ensures exceptionally smooth rotations. Anthony reported that the rotation was smooth as butter, adding, "Not an ad, just the truth," in his review notes. Number 4, WOD Nation Adjustable Speed Jump Rope. The WOD Nation Speed Rope is designed for speed, ideal for those looking to boost their endurance or increase the number of repetitions within a specific time frame. This model is worth considering. It even includes a spare rope, allowing you to replace a worn rope or switch between 2 different lengths as needed. Plus, if you're keen on aesthetics, you'll be pleased to find it available in 9 vibrant colors. However, our reviewers had some reservations about the handles of the WOD Nation rope. Made from hard plastic and textured to enhance grip, they unfortunately become slippery when wet with sweat. Also, like many ropes with a braided cable core, adjusting the length of this model requires more than just a simple pair of scissors. Despite these issues, our team believes that for fast and fashionable repetitions, the WOD Nation Speed Rope is a top choice. Pros: affordable, includes an extra rope, many color options, it's high quality and durable. Cons: thin handles. Number 5, Tangram Smart Jump Rope Rookie. If you're tired of keeping track of your jump rope reps manually, consider upgrading to a smart jump rope like the Tangram Smart Rope, which not only counts your jumps but also provides various stats to enhance your workout experience. Through the Tangram Smart Rope app, you can monitor metrics such as jumps completed, calories burned, and elapsed time, as well as set daily targets and review your jumping history. Measuring 5 inches in length, the Tangram Smart Rope handles felt comfortable to Anthony, thanks to their thicker width. Weighing 55 grams, 1.9 ounces, the cable is lightweight, enabling Anthony to move it swiftly and get into the rhythm faster compared to other ropes he tested. However, despite being marketed as tangle-free, Anthony noted that it tends to tangle easily when not in use, which can be frustrating. The convenience of not having to count jumps manually and being able to review reps later adds a new dimension to the workout. Setting a timer for a specified duration, such as 20 minutes, and striving to complete as many reps as possible without the distraction of counting sounds like a fun challenge worth trying. Pros: easy to adjust to different lengths. Count the number of jumps for you. Lightweight 55-gram cable. Cons: battery setup is kind of complicated.